Guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday.
Hey there. It's been a while. So, if it's your first time tuning in, I am Camille. I am a homeschool mom of two girls. We've been homeschooling for a while. I've taken a break. I've been off since December. We have not stopped homeschooling, but I had to refocus some things in my life in our homeschool. And so I'm back to just help y'all out. So where have I been? So I've changed up a lot of things, a lot of our curriculum, which I'm not going to get into today, but I'm going to tell y'all in these next couple of weeks what we've changed, what we're doing, how I'm coming at some things differently. And I want to share that with you, and I want to share all the links and everything that I have been using with you in the next episodes. But today, I want to talk to you if you are new to homeschooling, or if you just need to be reminded about the things that need to be retouched in your homeschooling. And this week, I want to talk to you about HSLDA.org. Now, a lot of people go into Facebook and they go into the groups and they're looking and they're asking, what should I do? What should I do? And of course, you do want to have a veteran homeschool mom in your area that can help you out and all this. But the first thing I really think you should do, my suggestion, is to go to hslda.org and check out the website. So what they do, they tell you the guidelines for each state. So I'm in Texas, so I'm gonna click on Texas and I'm gonna go to Texas and see everything that I need to know from the HSLDA. They also, I have it pulled up on my phone. They also tell you what homeschooling is, the homeschool laws by each state. So all 50 states, they tell you which states are the easiest to homeschool in or have the least restrictions. Then they tell you the homeschool states that have the most restrictions. Then they tell you how to start. If you don't know where to start, they tell you where to start. They talk about special needs. I see a lot of families who have children with special needs or autism or ADHD, and they're trying to figure out how to go about homeschooling because the public school or compulsory school is not providing the things they need. So HSLDA shows you or helps you with special needs. Also, because I'm not there yet, I haven't been worried about this yet because my children are still in elementary or not in secondary or high school, but they do tell you how to homeschool in high school and beyond. What do you need to do for those 4 years of high school, and how can you get them into college? Will they qualify for scholarships? And they do. So HSLDA helps you with all that. They also help you with what is it? Legal work. If something happens where someone makes a phone call, where someone is saying that you're not doing what you're supposed to do in your homeschool, reporting, the filing, if that's a state that you're in that needs to do that, HSLDA, they have legal defenses, so they can help you out with that. Yeah, they can help you out with that. Check out that website before you think about curriculum, before you honestly, to me, before you even pull your children out of school, make sure you know your state's laws. I would hate for you to pull out your child and you don't know what it is that your state requires. So look at those requirements. If it's heavy on your heart that you do want to homeschool, if this is something that you see that should be in your lifestyle, check out hslda.org. And once you get that information and you know other homeschool moms or other homeschool families that would like to homeschool, tell them that website as well. The website's going to help you. They have free services, and you also can do a paid service where they send out free newsletters, but you can also be a member. That's what the word I want to say. You can pay for a membership and you'll get even more from them. So I suggest you do that before you pull your child out and all of that. But that is it for this week. That's all I got for this week. I just wanted to share that with you. And I'm excited to be back and share more things with y'all. So as always, I pray y'all have a blessed day. I pray you have a blessed week. I pray you have a blessed weekend. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.